is a young monk marker dilute almond cockbird from this year. He's finishing his molt. It's a really nice bird. I just have extra cockbirds, too many extra cockbirds, otherwise I would have kept him. But all of the feathers are slowly coming back. He's finishing his molt. Nice bird. It's nicely marked. The monk markings are on point. You got a good crest. It's good coverage. Tail is coming back real nice. It's going to be a good solid bird. He has good height. And for a young bull to have that kind of almond color, that's pretty good. And he carries the dilute genes too, so he'll throw you some yellows too. Quite satisfied with this bird. I wish I had the room, otherwise I would have kept him. Nice bird. He's an active little fellow. And it's a typical thing. Almonds are kind of attracted towards a gate. That's on the other coop. I have a gate hen sitting over there, the red and white one. So he's attracted towards her. She just took a bath right now. The snow just melted. It's still melting. I still have some snow left, and the birds try to take some bath in the small thing which I put the water. So I'm gonna give them some bath water so they can finish the bath too. They got scared because I think there's a hawk might be on the way.